In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Steam Cloud is the feature that keeps your save data consistent across devices, and when it gets stuck, you might see warnings about syncing or notice your progress isn't updating. The good news is that the most reliable fixes are quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Steam client and going to your library. Find the game that's showing the Cloud Sync error. Next to the play button, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that, then select Properties. This opens a settings window for that specific game with several sections on the left. Choose General. In this section, you'll see an option called Steam Cloud. We're going to reset the connection by disabling and then enabling it. Toggle Steam. Cloud off, pause for a few seconds so Steam fully registers the change, and then toggle it back on. That brief reset often clears a stuck state and prompts Steam to reconnect to the cloud for that game's save data. Once you've re-enabled Steam Cloud, give it time to work. You may notice a syncing message in the Steam client or a small spinner by the game. Keep the game closed while the sync runs, and avoid closing Steam until it's done. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your saves, it might take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. If the game supports Steam Cloud, which it likely does if you saw a cloud error, this refresh usually does the trick. If the error is still there, it could be a network-related issue. Steam Cloud needs a stable connection, and anything that interferes with traffic can cause timeouts. If you use a VPN, try turning it off temporarily and then check the game again. If you prefer to keep a VPN active, you can also toggle it off and then back on to refresh the connection before trying the sync again. Small hiccups in routing can prevent the save from uploading or downloading properly. If the problem persists, the last step is to restart your router. Power it off, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then power it back on. Give your network a minute to fully reconnect, reopen Steam, and let the game attempt to sync again. A clean router restart often clears lingering connectivity issues that block cloud services. And that's all. By opening Properties, toggling Steam Cloud off and on, waiting for it to sync, checking your VPN, and restarting your router if needed, you can resolve most Steam Cloud sync errors and get back to gaming with your saves intact.